In today's video, I will show you the most accurate buy-sell TradingView indicator on my channel. I back-tested this trading strategy 100 times, and I found out that this trading strategy has 82% win rate, which means that this strategy is also incredibly profitable. If you want to make 691% gains, like I did, then make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't make unnecessary mistakes. For this strategy, we will be using two TradingView indicators. The first indicator is called Trend Finder, and it is considered to be the best buy-sell indicator by many professional traders. And the second indicator is called Trend Follower, which is our volume indicator. This indicator displays whether there is a strong selling pressure in the market, which is displayed by red candles, or a strong buying pressure in the market, which is displayed by green candles. That's everything you need to know about our indicators. Now let me show you how to create this trading setup. So we are currently looking at a 5-minute chart of SPY, which is also the best time frame for this trading strategy. So open your Indicators tab and let's add all necessary indicators to our chart. The first indicator we will be using is called Trend Finder. There are many variations of this indicator, but we will be using this one, called Trend Finder, with coefficient of variation, by Doji emoji. So, left-click this indicator once to apply it to your chart. We need to change a few settings for this indicator, so open this indicator's settings option in the top left corner. In Inputs, we have to change this Look Back option from 20 to 40. And also, we want to disable this Display Background with Color Scale setting. When you're finished, press OK, and that's everything we wanted to change for this indicator. Now we need to apply another indicator to our chart. Our second indicator we will be using is called Trend Follower. There are also a lot of variations for this indicator, but we will be using this very first one, by the Lonesome Blue. Once again, left-click it once to apply it to your chart. Again, we need to change a few settings. In Style, change Color 1 Opacity to 100%. And also, change Color 4 Opacity to 100% as well. Press OK, and just like that, our trading setup is ready. Now, let's see how to trade using this setup. So first, we will wait for our Trend Finder indicator to generate a buy signal, which is our first long trade condition. Our second condition is that the candles in our Trend Follower indicator must be green colored. These candles turn green when they are above the zero level line, which means that there is a high buying pressure present in the market. And our third and final condition is that there must be a bullish candle ahead of our buy signal. Once all three conditions are met, then we can enter a long trade. We will enter our trade at our first bullish candle since the signal. We will set our stop loss to the recent market low. And we will set our take profit target to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Everything is set, so let's see if we were correct on this long trade prediction. Success! Our prediction was correct, and we made a profitable long trade. Now let's see how to enter a short trade. In order to enter a short trade, we must follow 3 short trade conditions, which are basically 3 long trade conditions, but reversed. So, the Trend Finder indicator must generate a sell signal. Second, the candles in our Trend Follower indicator must be red colored, which means that they are below the zero level line and that there is also a strong selling pressure in the market. And lastly, there must be a bearish candle ahead of our sell signal. All 3 conditions are met, so we can confidently enter a short trade. We will enter our short trade at the first bearish candle since the sell signal. Our stop loss will be set to the recent market high. And our take profit will be set to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Everything is ready, so let's see if we were once again correct on our prediction. We were once again correct in our prediction and made yet another successful trade. If you still don't understand how to trade with this trading setup, don't worry, because right now I will show you some trade examples, and by the end of this video, you will understand this trading strategy fully, and you will also be able to use it in a real market and make some easy profits. So first, the Trend Finder indicator gave us a buy signal, which is our first condition for long trade. Second, the Trend Follower indicator is green colored, which is our second condition. And lastly, there must be a bullish candle ahead of our buy signal, which is our final long trade condition, which means that now we can enter a long trade. We will set our stop loss to the low of the previous market. And our take profit will be 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Let's see how this trade goes. We found another buy signal, so we must close this position. We didn't reach our take profit target, but we still made a good profit out of this trade. Before we enter our next trade, we must check if all 3 long trade conditions have been met. First, the trend finder indicator generated a buy signal. Second, the candle and trend follower indicator must be above the 0 level line, so it must be green colored. And lastly, there must be a bullish candle ahead of our buy signal. Everything checks out, so we will enter another long trade. Once again, we will set our stop loss to the recent market low. And our take profit will be 1.5 risk to reward ratio. So let's see what happens. We found yet another buy signal, so we will close this trade as well. We haven't reached our take profit target, but we have once again made a hefty profit. So there is a buy signal, which is our first condition. The candles and trend follower indicator are green colored, which is our second condition. And our third condition is that there must be a bullish candle ahead of our buy signal. All these conditions are met, so we will enter our third long position. As always, we will set our stop loss to the recent market low. And we will set our take profit target to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Let's see if we can finally hit our take profit target. Success! We've hit take profit target and made a successful long trade. Let's search for a few more trades. Now, we have found a sell signal, so we will follow our 3 rules for short trade. The first rule says that there must be a sell signal. The second rule says that the candles and trend follower indicator must be red colored, which means that there is strong selling pressure in the market. And finally, the third rule says that there must be a bearish candle ahead of the sell signal. All 3 short trade conditions are met, so we can enter our first short trade. We will set our stop loss to the recent market high. And our take profit target ratio will be same as with long trades, so 1.5 risk to reward ratio. As you can see, we have made yet another profitable trade. Let's search for one last trading opportunity. We found another sell signal, which is our first condition for short trade. The candles and trend follower indicator are red colored, which is our second condition. And our third condition is that the candle ahead of our sell signal is bearish. All 3 conditions are met, so we can enter yet another short trade. We will set our stop loss to the recent market high. And as always, our risk to reward ratio will be 1.5. Let's see if we were correct on this prediction. Success! We were correct on our prediction and made another profitable short trade. That's it for today's video. If you want more amazing trading strategies, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and as always, I will see you in the next video.